Wait. Wait. Petaluma Boulevard. Walk sign is on to cross Petaluma Boulevard.
Crosswalk buttons, you see them everywhere. Some work, some don't. I got to thinking, how can we make better use of these? So I bought one. Here's what I created.
Be kind and do not be afraid to tell the truth. Denise, Petaluma, California. Remember that you're always being watched and recorded. Lisa, New York City.
You can't take anything with you when you die. So keep that in mind. Alice, San Francisco.
I got 3 things to say. 1, ask yourself, why not? 2, go for it. And 3, remember, the worst thing you can do is shut down someone's dream or your own. So don't do that. Go for it. Angie, Petaluma, California.
Read everything. Never stop learning. Patty, Fremont, California.